Hi everybody, it's Dave here from David UK Tours. There we go up there. And this is your 5-minute update and tips and tricks for anybody who's visiting London or thinking about visiting London, my wonderful city. So it's Saturday the 28th of March. And don't forget to stay on for your free money saving tip at the end. Got lots of those today. Okay, so coming towards the end of March, and it's very soon it's going to be Easter, so it's Good Friday coming Friday the 3rd of April, and I'll put in a link down below to all the things that are going to be going on in Easter. I haven't got time to go through them all. I'll cover a few more next week, but if you want to have a look at a link, it'll all be in there. I suppose one of the big things that's going to be happening is a week today, it's Saturday the 4th of April. It's the boat race, and that's a very famous thing in England. It's a boat race that's been going on since 1829, and it's between the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge, and they have a race in their rowing boats along the Thames, and it's all free to go down and watch them from the riverbank. Well, the weather's getting better in London. We're coming into spring now. And although it's really famous in Japan, we also have a lot of cherry blossoms in London. And the parks of London are absolutely amazing for their trees and shrubs and plants and flowers all year round, but particularly coming into spring now. So if you want to go to any of our parks, again, they're all free. And we've got some wonderful parks, Regent's Park, Hyde Park in the middle of London, but there's also parks all the way around London as well. So if you're into comedy, there's a sketch fest going on. It's a sort of comedy competition where people can enter to show their sketches. So that's a great laugh. And that finishes tomorrow. So if you want to get some tickets for that, you'll need to get them for tonight or tomorrow. And I'll put a link for that as well. And again, with the better weather, it may be a good time to start thinking about taking a walking tour around London. There are so many amazing walking tours. I mean, obviously, London with all its history, there's so many historical walking tours that you can take all around London. And also the royal connection and the pageantry. There are royal related walking tours. And then there's ones like Paddington Bear, who are very famous resident of London, who came all the way from Peru to visit us. And there's a Paddington Bear walking tour as well, but there are many, many walking tours. And again, I'll put some links to some of the best walking tours. Most of them have a small cost, but some of them are free. And a quick reminder, it's Earth Hour tonight at 8:30. So if you see the lights going down or off in certain parts of central London, that's to sort of commemorate and to acknowledge Earth Hour, which is related to the sort of climate crisis that the world's facing at the moment. And in fact, that's 8:30 local time across the whole world as well. So you might even see it in your places and in your cities where you come from. So free. Here's the free tip, especially if you've got children. It's starting next week on the 1st of April, and it's running to the 31st of May. And it's called Spring Family Fun at the South Bank Centre, which is pretty much in central London. And again, that's all free, and for children, it's got shows, musical adventures, and amazing puppetry as well. So I'll put the link to that if you want to go along and take part in that. Okay, well, I hope that you found all that information useful, and if you did, then please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You take care now. Bye-bye.